So in this Realtor tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the bathroom filter here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor's opened up, what I want you to do is to first and foremost go to the bottom left, make sure that search is selected. So for example, if you have the menu page open, for instance, go to the bottom left, press on search and get to this screen. Once you're on the search screen, I want you to go to the top right to where it says filters right here. Now once you're here and you have your options selected, simply just scroll down to where it says rooms right here, and if you want to edit the bathroom filter or even the bedroom filter, whatever the case may be, where it says bathrooms any, if you're looking for a home that has, let's just say, at least 3 bathrooms, for example, so at least three or more, you can then edit that, go to the bottom, press on search, and then you can refine your search that way based on the amount of bathrooms that you're looking for. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit the bathroom filter here on the Realtor.ca application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.